Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 10 websites you can make $100 a day in 2020. And number 10 is my absolute favorite, so stick around until the end. If you've been on my channel for very long, you might be able to guess what it is. But nonetheless, all of these are really, really good. So before I get to it, if you're new to the channel, this channel is about affiliate marketing and how to make money online, how to make money from home. And I do a lot of product reviews on this channel, just to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon, that way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, again, we're going to talk about 10 websites you can make $100 a day in 2020. And some of these you can make more than $100 a day. You can make $200, $300 a day. The very first one we want to talk about is Amazon Associates. I absolutely love this because you can become an associate for Amazon and sell any of their products for free. You just go ahead and sign up, go to Amazon Associates website here. It's actually affiliate-program.amazon.com, and then you can start doing product reviews. An example of a YouTube channel that does product reviews, he doesn't do them anymore. It looks like these are 2-3 years old, but I know for a fact he still makes money from these videos. So it's one of those things where you can do something once and then you can continue to earn money year after year. Now, of course, his channel is very big and he has a big following, but he had to start somewhere as well. So he does product reviews on headphones. You can see all the different headphones that he's reviewed from Amazon, and then he'll put his affiliate link down in the description. And this is not, they don't pay a lot, but if you do a lot of volume, you can make some good money with it.
There's a pencil, right? That's all I need.
Generally 3 to 10% commissions. And so you can see he has black and he has gold down here. So he's doing a good review, and then people click on it, buy it, and he makes money. So that's the first website. The second website is called Muncheye, and this is a website where you can go to find product launches that are coming out in the internet marketing space. So you can see here December 30th, and all these are coming out in January and even in February. And essentially you're getting in front of a product launch and doing a review on it and getting traffic to your YouTube channel. And I did a video on this, the 5 easy steps of launch jacking. It works out very, very well. You can make some really good money doing this, especially if you offer bonuses. So I'll leave a link in the description below the video to this launch jacking video, but it is a great way that you can make $100 at least a day, and more actually, doing product launching. Third website is Textbroker, and I actually signed up for this and I did a full video about Textbroker. I'll leave that in the description below as well, how you can make money writing. But you can become a content writer. People need content for their blogs, websites, and you can come in here and be a writer. Now you have to submit your writing and get essentially graded on whatever star was 2 to 5 stars. It'll be anywhere from 7 cents to 5 cents a word. And I think I was a 3-star, so I get 1 cent a word. But if you're a good writer, you may just come in at 5 cents a word. But they show you how to become a better writer, and they give you a lot of training as well. So if you really like to write, it's a great way that you can make money. And if you come down here, they do have like a earnings calculator. So let's say you were a really good writer and you had 5 stars. You can see if you wrote like a $1,000-word article, you could get paid $50, and 2,000 you could get $100. So I would recommend Textbroker. It's totally legitimate and they do pay you. So that's the second one, or excuse me, the third one. The fourth website is Amazon Kindle, and you know, if you can partner with Amazon, that's the best of both worlds, because you're making money, but you're also working with an established company. Amazon Kindle books, obviously, you know, you can write books and get them published on Kindle, and they're smaller price points here, but you can sell a volume of books and make some good money. And you don't even have to be writing these books yourself. You can outsource this to people on Upwork, people on Fiverr. They can write the books for you, and then you can earn the money from them. But I was going to say a great way that you can learn how to do publishing on Kindle is just go to a site called Udemy. If you haven't heard of it, it's just a website where you can learn all different kinds of things. But if you go there and type in Amazon Kindle publishing, how to become a best-selling author on Amazon Kindle, and they even show you too how you can outsource, but you can buy courses for as little as $19.99 and have 49 lectures on how to become a best-selling author on Amazon Kindle. So if you want to do some writing yourself, that's a great way to make money, or again, you can outsource it to people who are good writers, and then you just earn the money. The fifth website is called Flippa, and that's where you can purchase websites and resell them, or you can keep them for a profit. So if we go to flippa.com and we take a look at their websites, there's all different kinds of websites, but you can see, come down here, maybe you wanted to look at a website for around $1,000 to $2,000, and we'll see what kind of websites they have. But you could purchase, well, actually you'll put in a bid. If you wanted to buy it now, it would be like $2,500. But they'll tell you, this one doesn't say the net profit there, but they'll tell you what is the net profit already on that website. So if you purchase it for $34.95, the profit is $17.34 a month. It's an e-commerce drop shipping website, so you would have to obviously run that. But you can see this has to do with pets. So you can go in there and find different websites. You can again keep them and then turn a profit eventually, or you can turn around and resell them. So the sixth website is called microworkers.com, and you can go there and do different tasks. Let's go here. There's all kinds of things that you can do, and you don't make a lot of money, but you can do simple things like watching a video or posting something. Let's take a look here, what all you could do. These are some jobs here. Take a survey. There's some having to do with YouTube, create a video and post, list email and submit reply and screenshot. LinkedIn, there's not that much, you don't make that much, but this can definitely add up if you do these, and they don't take very long at all. So that's a really good site, Microworkers, and they do pay. You'll need to have PayPal for that one to get paid. The next website is Upwork, and you can go here. There's all different categories of types of work that you can get: web development, design, writing, admin support, customer service, marketing, accounting. There's even more categories than that you could make some good money on this website. Now, I've hired people on this website. You can see all the different transactions that I've had. And when I was doing drop shipping, I was mainly paying someone to do product research. So if you're good at that at all, I'm telling you that is something that a lot of people need, because it's very time consuming, but people will pay you good money to go out and research products on, let's say, eBay or different websites that you can drop ship from. So like you're going to drop ship from Walmart on Amazon, or drop ship on Walmart to eBay, and people will go out and find those products for you. So you can see all the people that I paid to do that. So this is a legitimate website. You can make some good money from it if you have some sort of skill that you can help people with, and you could be like a social media manager, help people manage all their social media sites if you're good at that. The 8th website is called featurepoints.com. And this one here, you can just get rewarded for different things like completing surveys. You do earn cash back on here as well. And also just downloading some apps. You can also earn money when you share it with friends. So this is another great site, and you will need to have PayPal to get paid out, or you can use it on like an Amazon gift card or things like that. And website number 9 is called eula.com, and this is a CPA website. It's completely free to sign up. You don't have to get approved for it, anything like some of the other CPA websites, but this one is easy to get approved for. You get paid to collect email addresses. You get paid anywhere from $2 to $4 to collect email addresses, and then you get paid via PayPal. So you could even go to and run a solo ad on Udemy and get paid $2 to $4 to collect an email. So I really like that one. And the last one is my favorite, which is Google Adsense. And you can earn money on your blog, or if you have a YouTube channel. If you have a YouTube channel, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within 12 months. And I'm not up to $100 a day, but I plan on doing that in 2020 with all the things that I'm implementing on my channel and the things that I'm learning. I know that that will continue to increase. I average right now about $20 a day, but I just got approved this year, so that will only increase over time. And I want to encourage you to start a YouTube channel, because if you can master one traffic source like YouTube, which is free, you can pretty much promote anything. But then again, you can earn at least $100 a day with Google AdSense, and that's when the ads are placed at the beginning of your video. And if they're longer than like 10 minutes, you can place a couple in the actual video itself and earn more that way. But you don't even have to show your face in the video if you don't want to. I think a lot of people are afraid to get on camera. But there's a couple examples. Actually, I'm going to post a video that I had created. It's called how to create a YouTube channel without showing your face. And I'll post that in the description below, because I gave a detailed account of how you can do that. But just an example of a couple of channels that do not show their face. First one is TopThink, and you can see they have over 1 million subscribers. And I don't want you to think, oh my gosh, I could never do that, because everybody started from zero. You know, they didn't know what they were doing, they learned, and it's absolutely possible to get to this level. But you can see that they don't show their face in these videos. It's very, very popular. This is another one, same thing. They don't show their face. It's called Improvement Pill. They have 1.91 million subscribers. So you can imagine that they're making some good amount of money with Google AdSense and people clicking on their ads. And I wanted to share with you how you could learn how to have a profitable YouTube channel. This is called the Passive Affiliate System. It's going to be the second link in the description below the video. But you can learn like the perfect niche to pick and how to do all of this without showing your face if you don't want to. You'll never run out of ideas for what to create videos about, how to do keyword research, how to optimize your channel, how to have the perfect script, how to do your slides so you'll know exactly what to say, how to get 1,000 subscribers quickly, because that's what you need, 1,000 subscribers and then the 4,000 watch hours in order to start earning money. And once I got approved, I started earning money right away. It was really, really neat. So, and then you can outsource this completely if you want to. You don't even have to be involved in making the videos. And then the money funnels. So I highly recommend this if you want to start a YouTube channel in 2020, because Google AdSense is amazing. And I know some people who are in my niche, and one of them, she makes at least $300 a day. I know some days she makes $600 a day, and I'm learning from her. So I know, again, this next year is going to be really good for me, and that amount will only increase. And I don't want you guys to think, oh, I could never start a YouTube channel, because I really recommend it. It's the best way, I think, to get traffic, because again, it's free. And then when you start earning money every single day from Google, it's a really great feeling. So that is my absolute favorite, number 10. So I hope you guys found some value in these 10 websites that can make you $100 a day in 2020 or any year. And if you guys have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below. Also, if you need to contact me for any reason, I do have my contact information in the description below the video. My number one recommendation is the first link in the description below the video. You can check it out if you like. And again, the second link is how to start a profitable YouTube channel. With that being said, this is Kara Mir signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.